切切切切切切切，好好好好。
Oh my god, I can't get this decibel level set, man. Go on. Hello. Traders, I'm getting trolled by Spafford. Backdoor Funk. Hope you're enjoying the music and your Sunday evening, because you could be doing anything, but you're here. Episode 412 of the show. Thanks. Topic of discussion this evening is just Ravencoin. My god, what has Ravencoin done? It's made all the other altcoins look like scrubs, man. No, I can just see the decibel levels, and it's exceeding levels that are appropriate for things. Okay, anyway, so what did we do? I mean, look, all you can do is you go from your major all-time high to your lowest low of that retrace, and you can see we hit the golden mean ratio, right? The 1.618, 161.8% retrace from that high to low. That is stupendous and, quite frankly, amazing. And in terms of any kind of structure, we don't really have any. No structure. So we know what that means, right? So maybe it keeps going up a little bit more. I mean, look, you break the 1618, there's the 2618. There's really nothing else besides rounded numbers. And we did discuss yesterday, I believe, last night, 1500 and the 1618 would play a role as a resistance because the rounded number, psychological, there's just, you don't have much besides fib extensions and psychological rounded numbers to play with when you get to these levels. All right, so guess what we did? We even got as high as 1620, man. But it all ended, I guess, like we had a bearish engulfing candle, you know, on the last 4-hour candle. We got less than an hour left on this one. So bouncing off the 1414, still above the 20, 50, and 200 moving average on the 4-hour. So Class C bearish divergence, where you're pretty much double topping on divergence, but you're making higher highs. Okay, look, man, I don't know what to tell you, man. Anyone trying to get in on this right now is asking to get destroyed. All right, because this thing has not built any support, right? We could sell off easily all the way down to 1049 before at least wicking. All right, so just remember that if there's no support, no chop on the left, and the rug gets pulled, it could be an easy free fall. Okay, just remember that. So that's Ravencoin. And which coins are gonna overtake it, man? Well, we did a quick analysis today on about 5 that look promising to break out to the upside soon, but we don't know if they will. Others have, like KNC broke out. KNC looked extremely similar to Ravencoin. It, man, we called that one. It just like ran up, hit the 382, I believe, and then sold off and really hadn't done too much. It didn't really pull a Raven. I mean, nothing's pulled a Raven. This thing's in a league of its own for this season. Okay, what is it? Game of Coins Season 6. That's where we're at. So this has definitely been the winner. And yeah, I don't think anything's even close. So which coin will be next to go parabolic like Ravencoin? ADA is working on it, right? Definitely working on it. But see, Ravencoin's all-time highs. I see ADA is pumping, but it's just because there's lack of resistance. Because it's like a wormhole. You know, we crack some overhead resistance and we run, because looking left, we ran up and ran straight down. And so now we can run straight back up again. All right, after consolidating and building a inverse head and shoulders for like, I don't know, 3-4 months. So, yeah, man. There are promising ones out there poised for breakouts, but there is literally no way to know which altcoin's going to literally do what Ravencoin did. Okay, so let that be a lesson to you. Don't get jebaited. All right, man. Don't get wrecked. You just look, man. You just luck out. Like sometimes, like we had a short on Ethereum November 7th, right? And well, it was before that. It was like a couple days before, but hey, we lucked out, right? We hit our targets, but just kept going, and then we free fall and lost like over half our value. I mean, it just sometimes happens, right? So you go with the trades, and that's why sometimes you don't take all your profits. You don't completely exit a position if you're hoping for maybe possibly some sort of windfall that we see with Raven. But clearly we know if it's one of the only ones doing this, the odds are not in your favor for it happening. So there you go, man. Ravencoin, Kangs, all right? Ravencoin is Kang. We dub it, you know, Season 6 Altcoin King, all right?
That boy is good. Good and terrible.
I like turtles.
All right, let's go to Bitcoin real quick, all right? Why not, man? Okay, Bitcoin somehow holding, man. Somehow, some way, it's holding. Look, impulse up, sloping flag, and you're really just staying above the support for now. Dude, I mean, look. Maybe we run up again. Maybe we touch 4,000. It's just going to be tough getting above 4,000, man. You can clearly see all kinds of resistance up here. So if this was all we could muster on a sell-off, okay, we might run again. But it'll be tough getting above 4,000, man. All right. And we know we're on the tail end of that wing of the bearish cipher pattern, C to D, right? A 70% retrace. We got as high as from B to C, that 1618. All right, that's as high as we got. So that's pretty good, man. I mean, I'm kind of surprised we haven't continued selling off, but we ran down, hit that 382 area, and then came right back up, then formed a lower high. And you're still below the 2 faster scale moving averages, so it does seem likely still that we could break, you know, down first and hit some sort of target, you know, 382 again, the 200 MA, 50% or 618 before running again, if we were to run again, which we know we could, because though we have this bearish pattern, the bearish pattern is laying on the outskirts of a channel structure we had formed for months, right? Another bearish cipher into a bullish Gartley, into Kangage, 1, 2, 3 targets getting hit. And then we double bottomed off of that old resistance, now support. And we're out, man. And we know, looking at the daily, what we could expect in the future, and it could take quite some time to get there. All right, quite some time. But we know the golden zone from that November 7th high to the December 15th low. We know 38% retrace, 44.42, 50% retrace at 48.26, and a 52.31 retrace at the 618, 61.8% retrace from your high to low. We know that is the golden zone, the major golden zone, all right, from this impulse. So we would expect maybe in time to get to these levels. The 200-day moving average is sitting at 47.11, and we have not touched the 200-day moving average on Bitcoin since March of 2018. It has been over 1 year since we've touched this thing. Will we touch it soon? It seems like it's catching up, finally catching up. But we've seen before how we've had big runs up, get so close to it, and just get scared and then dump, right? So beautiful inverse head and shoulders, man. Ooh, rising wedge. Okay, so you get it. We have a short-term little play going on, but we would think it would make sense to hit at least 4,400 in the short midterm before selling off to lower prices. We're not in the business of trying to call the bottom. Okay, we just trade and we just try to make sense of Fibonacci and retraces. Okay, areas of value for people going short. There's not much area of value except a short-term short sell. All right. Anyway, that's it. Just a little bit more in-depth analysis of Bitcoin, going different time scales, because there's just frankly not too much going on, man. Okay. What are y'all doing? What have y'all been doing? Man, I just did like this crazy run. You know, you run for 30 seconds and then you walk for 15 and then you do it like, I can only do it like 11 times or something. But it's fun. I mean, not fun. Yeah, but whatever, man. Hold on. I'm drinking RVN tea right now. Mama said that the moon is a giant tortoise shell. Yes, King Logan, yes. Tortoise shell, man. Look, I'm still like sweating still, like my thumb. I can't even. All right. Gonna look at some chat, okay? Yeah, RVN T. That's it. What's up, Skyward Man? Kangs, yes. What's up, Coin Linked? Adam N. Raven will go to $589 with Kantoma. Oh my god, too many 589 memes going on, dude. Hello, Renee. Welcome. Tron Connect, Renee. Crypto Capsule, hello, man. I don't even know how that works. More mods than viewers. A mod is a viewer. What's up, Rick Schmitz? Mark D wants ONT. Of course he does, because it rhymes with his name. Go figure, dude. Alright, man, it's on the list. Sellers at 588, dude. Okay, hold on. What's up, Juan Ortega? Pew. Third Eye Trader, what is it? Yeah, Ravencoin. Kangs, gone. Excuse me, I'm burping. Sure, Anita. Thanks for joining us. Welcome to the stream. I commented. I saw what you said. I commented on your comment. That's YouTube. All right. And then also there are people that comment on people commenting on comments. All right. And then it goes beyond that, but we won't even get into it. It's a rabbit hole. Okay. Curtis Fish, I'm glad you like the music, man. Spafford, Backdoor Funk. What's up, Brian Motter? MF, it's just zero, man. How's Mitch Ray TA coin doing on the Waves platform? Has anyone been buying, man? I don't think anyone knows it exists, dude. I have my own, I'm decentralized Mitch Ray on Waves, y'all. All right, check it out. I hear the team have real good hearts. All right. 2018 to now has been the most boring time in crypto, slowly going down or sideways. I don't know, John Doe, man. I just don't know about that. I feel like, yeah, there are times of consolidation that we know, but we scan other charts. But there's always something going on, man. Whether it's in crypto, forex, or the stock market, there's always fun to be had on these charts. Okay, don't confine yourself to one market. Okay. Ravencoin is overstocked. Okay, yeah, overstock.com. Is that it? Double Echo, I have no idea why Double Echoes, man.
Nikki 225 Exchange Plaza seems to be in free fall. Red cool.
Japan, man. Yeah, dude, we can look at it. Thanks, HG, man. 318. It's actually on my watch list, man. But I'm gonna make sure I've got the right. Because I thought I had it charted. Oh, I do have it charted. Well, yeah, dude. What, free fall? Hold on. I mean, not... Gosh dang it, hold on. My Stream Elements is... my dashboard's like reloading. I don't know, it's doing things. Stream Elements website is literally okay. It's very, very slow. Yeah, dude, I mean, I'm looking at it, and it's like we're still in the historical upsloping channel. We're going to look at it. Okay, let's go to Ethereum real quick, and then we'll get to it. All right, and then XRP, of course. Okay, I posted this for Patreon, or patrons in the Patreon chat, okay? We're getting squeezed, man. Monkey S. Serious Monkey S. We have that rising wedge pattern. We have the down sloping channel within it. And you got nowhere to go, man. You're reaching an apex of some sort. A pseudo apex where resistance is meeting support. And the move is coming. Alright? It is definitely coming. For Ethereum. And if Bitcoin breaks the upside, well, you know where Ethereum's going. It's a US dollar pair. Okay, so it'll pop, break out to the upside. But if Bitcoin wants to sell off, well, the measured move, the rising wedge, is down at the bottom of the much larger structure that's been in development since December, right? Since that nadir level. Hold on. Visibility. Sorry. Okay. So, yeah, man. That's it. Still in a rising wedge on Ethereum. Bearish convergence. Oscillator's not really telling us much, man. They're not going to tell us that much. Okay. Normally, they do tell us stuff when we're at the top of the wedges. After impulse is down, we're at the top of the wedges, and we show bearish divergence. Those are great areas to go short for sell-off, and then the windfall of the measured move afterwards. But that's just not going on, so we're just at the bottom of the pattern. And we're contracting. Definitely contracting on price. Alright, man. The same analysis. Nothing's changed on Ethereum. And it will, though. It will change soon. And it'll be big. Big if true. True if big. Alright. You know what, man? I kind of want to look at Ethereum. I can't remember if it was the tether pair or something. Yeah, dude, it's just like so many others. How many other coins have you seen that look very similar where they have these down-sloping descents, right? 1 and 2 on the top, and 3 and 4, right, total. 1 and 2 and 3 on the bottom, right? And then you broke out, but when you broke out, you just stayed within some other formal structure that had been in development, and you just hit the top of it, and then eventually you just kept, hey, you made higher lows, right? Higher lows, and then we broke out. But clearly we haven't really done much, have we? And that probably has to do with Bitcoin. But hey, man, you got to be kind of excited about the change, man. Because think about it, like for an entire year, you were in the confines and the grasp of this channel, and now you're out. So you got to be happy about that. There's some hope, some optimism in play for at least a retrace that is mild. Or even shallow, right? A shallow retrace yields you at $260, and then that more moderate golden zone for Ethereum is between $370 and $549. I know it sounds crazy now, man. I know it does, but you got to remember, we're just using Fibonacci like we'd use any other asset. The high point, the major discernible daily swing high from May 5th, May Day, Cinco de Mayo, they caught us off guard. We were drinking tequila. Okay, from that high to the low in December 15th. Common retrace zone. All right, golden zone, 370 to 549. I mean, look, people be like, no way, man, we're going to zero. It's like, dude, do you even chart? Do you even know how to look at charts? Because like normally when you sell off for like a year or more, a lot of times you retrace to certain percentage points, and we're looking at them right now. Okay, I'm just saying that, man. Like people just so pessimistic because they probably got destroyed trying to buy in to a downtrend, and so they're just like constantly negative and like in their own weird world. You know, it's like they learned the wrong fundamentals, right? So you try to learn golf, right? You learn it by yourself, you're going to do terrible. You're going to develop really bad habits, and you're going to fail, and you're going to get frustrated, and you're going to quit, right? But if you learn from somebody, take lessons from somebody who knows what they're doing, you develop the right fundamentals, the right perception of how things should be, and then you succeed, and you get better and better and better, and you build off those fundamentals that you learned, all right? And so same thing with trading, okay? A lot of people try to I mean, you can do it, I guess, but you better make sure you're learning from the right sources. All right, that's all I can tell you. And that is a nice little discussion on Ethereum and how you should size up charts. Whatever, man. Okay. Cool, dude. BNB doing things. It's been doing things, man. We analyzed it earlier today. All right. It's funny though, the Nikki, it hit that 25% trend line. I can't wait to look at it. We're gonna look at XRP real quick, and then we're gonna look at the Nikki. Okay. Well, whole bunch of nothing, man. Hold on, let me turn this down a little bit too. I think it might be a little loud. That might be okay right there. So triangle channel, you're out. You broke out. I mean, not like on any kind of real volume or anything, but breaking news. We had our, you know, devotion to XRP yesterday in our live stream about this, you know, and not good, man. If you can't, I mean, maintain prices, if you can't get back inside this channel, whatever, you're going to come down to 30.3 cents or whatever to test the old support. But there really is beginning to be a lot more chop in these areas. So, dude, formal structure, I don't know, man. This thing is stable coin. I like looking at XRP to BTC because at least it's forming some sort of pattern. This thing has done nothing. I mean, like, even with this move down, it's not even selling off that much. It's just like stablecoin, dude. Stablecoin XRP. Oh, it's like cryptocurrency, man. It's like gonna replace the dollar, dude. It's so stable, man. Okay, that's it. Holy crap. And really, though, here's interesting. It's a low and a slightly lower low. Though it is very minor and might not even be real, there is some divergence forming on the 4-hour for XRP. That's pretty good. I mean, again, it's really not that big a deal, but it's definitely there. Bitcoin's kind of doing it too, right? It's kind of diverging, like bullish divergence. So take note of that. Take note at least. You don't have to act on it, but just take note that there is bullish divergence, minor divergence kind of forming, right?
Can you look at BTC dominance? Reverse Chinese coming?
Can you give me a ticker kills for a living, man? Thanks for the 4s, dude, but I think I've maybe looked at it before. I know JR was looking at it on the Patreon chat, but I don't even know if traditional technical analysis works that way, but I think it was a symmetrical triangle, if I recall correctly. So price contraction, meaning, yeah, big move coming, probably, right? So you say reverse Chinese or real Chinese? Reverse Chinese, okay, so that might be good, right? Bitcoin dominance might go to the upside. I think JR's argument might have been it'd be going to the downside, right? I'm confused, man. Just hit me with a ticker, okay? And then all will be well in the world. Okay, alright, sweet. Oh my god, dude. Merch is almost ready, dude. I can't believe it, man. Ravencoin is overstocked. Crypto, is that verified? I don't believe it's verified. But hey, buy the rumor, sell the news, right? Who's buying Raven now, MF, dude? Shoot, dude. More S coins you've never heard of, John Doe? Oh my god, man. Hey, welcome to my world, dude. Hey, welcome to my world. Alright. I'm in here every day, 7 days a week, and doing S coin requests all the time. Alright, so if you think you have to hear S coins you've never heard of, what about me, dude? Alright. Put yourself in my shoes, man. But mama said ravens can fly to the moon, man. That they can. Raven power, dude. Oh my god. Okay. You sure I've got this right? Yes, this is right. Okay, up, gap down, selling off. Is this foreshadowing of what's to come tomorrow? The rest of the markets? But dude, beautiful historical uptrend. You bounced, you kind of fell out, just like the S&P 500 fell out of its historical uptrend. You know, I mean, the uptrend that started, you know, back in March of 2009. We bounced tremendously, but I'm sorry, it was just A retrace to make yourself a lower high. Look at this big double top. We broke out. It was a false breakout, came back, and now here we are kind of double topping again. As you can see, a high. Some sort of pivot and to create another high. And yeah, just gapping down. Bearishly Mara-bazooing right now. That's not good, man. No Mara-bazoos. They don't make me very happy, alright? So pattern-wise, you know, probably descending broadening wedge, right? Like everything else. And it like broke out too, right? Broke out bullishly. See, yeah, you broke out, but couldn't get any velocity, couldn't get any higher prices, couldn't break above the 200-day moving average. As you can see, you didn't even touch it, man. 22,000. Excuse me, let me... Actually, no, man, it's more like a channel. Okay, so it was not like the stock market. It was just a down-sloping channel. Okay. Understandable. Yeah, pretty much like that. Okay, so you broke it and you went from, I mean, look, there's two different highs you could fib from, right? You can use Fibonacci from this high. It's very discernible. High to low. You got as high as the 786, and that's where you topped out. Okay, 786, and then you've got the major high to low. Ah, and you had the 50% retrace. So it seemed like there was confluence between the 50% and the 786. A confluent zone right there, so that makes sense why it'd be tougher to break. And then, oh yeah, and then look all the way up, right? The slightly higher highs with lower levels of positive momentum, and then you make like a lower high and you have negative momentum. It's just not healthy. It just doesn't look good on the MACD on the daily time scale, right? So divergence and convergence right here. Okay, your RSI didn't really give you any kind of bearish divergence, but it was definitely a white trend line, right? So we can say bearish convergence, at least. Okay. Damon, man, how you doing, man?
What up, El Ray? Hope all is well. Keep up the good work. I appreciate all you do, my brother. Real kings do not get wrecked.
That's right, real kings do not get wrecked, dude. Did you not like my Neo? Keanu Reeves, he was literally sitting. I was thinking about you and several others. He was sitting on top of the Neo logo, and he had a Nutella in his hand, and he looked sad. Did you not see that, man? I thought you'd get a kick out of it. I never heard back from you. No feedback, dude. Tell me, man. Tell me true. Was it good or bad? Thanks for the 5, man. Heck yeah, dude. All right. There's your Nikki. Ravens will peak in April with Game of Thrones. Maybe that's it, dude. Maybe that's it. It's all leading up to Game of Thrones, the final season, dude. I can't wait. Dude, I mean, I might do like Game of Thrones, like, hey, dude, I think I'm gonna do some sort of Game of Thrones themed episode for the debut of that season, okay? It's gonna have to happen, alright? Please, God, let it be that, dude. Hey, Cornrows, thanks for the follow on Twitch, man. Welcome, dude. To Jesus, man. What's up, Bradford, dude? You sure messed up because you were looking to start mining Raven a year ago but didn't follow through. Anita, it's okay. Just, hey, you didn't really lose anything, okay? So, believe me, there are plenty of people that got destroyed by trying to FOMO into markets. That's way worse. I mean, people probably FOMO'd into mining too. So, it sounds like you just decided not to do it. And, again, what did we just talk about, right? Ravencoin. It's like one of the only altcoins doing that, really, okay, this altcoin season or whatever. So the odds of you picking the right altcoin to do something like that is very, very low, right? You don't have a high chance of that happening. So it's okay. It's really, trading here is a numbers game. So you need to be practicing reward to risk, like the proper reward to risk, over and over and over, because you're going to be trading over and over and over.
I see IT y'all. Enjoy IT. Busy doing things, but I'm always in the background. You know I love my Money Mac and Beanie Baby.
Money Mac and Beanie Baby. Why does the TTS troll us, Mr. Damon, man? Thanks for the 5 again, dude. The Ethereum Classic in the jar, man. Man, tell you, dude. It's weird. It's like I should be exhausted after that running and stuff, but like I'm like energized with, I guess it's the Irwin tea. I think it's the Chinese black tea, man. Real good. Real good. It tastes like lemons, dude. I don't know what it is, man. It's really good. It's like my favorite. Keep it coming, dude. But yeah, again, just going back to I shoulda, woulda, coulda. It's okay. You'll live another day. So just consider it a lesson learned. But remember, chances of you picking the right altcoin to moon like that are very low. But guess what? Ravencoin was setting up for higher prices. We just didn't know how high. And that's trading. That's how it works, right? You can hit the windfall. We do it time and time again. And then you can be like Bitcoin. Like, remember our bullish Gartley pattern? We hit all 3 targets. Oh my God. It was perfect. And then it was over. It was over, dude. We never saw those prices again. We have not yet, anyway. Okay. Maybe we'll see it in the future, in the next few weeks or months, but just not right now. And that's what's so cool about it. And that's why you have to be disciplined with your trading strategy. You can't like be like, oh man, I'm just going to sit on it, man. No, you need to take profit. If you say you're going to take profit, when you get close enough to that target, you take off those stops and you put on those limit sells, okay, when they hit those areas of your target, okay? You got to be disciplined. Anyway. You were told it was associated with Game of Thrones? What? Yeah, it sounds like a big troll, Anita. All right. I might be trolling. Yeah, I mean, look, crypto is a wild west for TA. I think when these things go parabolic, TA just kind of goes out the window a lot of times. And so, but you can see in bearish markets, it respects the TA very well on the bearish side. Holy crap, man. I'm definitely so behind on chat. I cannot keep up with chat. All right, man. I can't do it. Let's move on and we'll keep going and try to keep up, okay? Dude, hey, talking about respecting the TA, man. Let's just talk about it real quick and go to ONT for Mr. D. Beautiful, dude. This was a chart I posted in the Patreon chat. When we were just right here, just somewhere, March 15th, 16th, 14th. And we had it, man. And what did we do? And this is what I'm talking about, right? You just can never pick the ones that will windfall the upside. And this thing's not done yet. This thing could run again. This thing is doing wonderful. But why is it doing wonderful? Well, it just so happens you have been selling off incessantly since June of 2018. You finally found a swing low and broke to the upside. But then what'd you do? You just bled out. You bled out from August to January. And then you walked out, formed a descending triangle. You thought maybe we're screwed, but we were making higher lows than the previous lows, and then kangage. You broke out, hit the measure move, and then beyond that. And really the way to look at it was the major swing high to swing low, the golden zone between the 382 and the 618. Where are we? We are at the top. We are at the 618, the golden retrace. Oh my God, man. Ascending triangle, breakout, measure move hit. Are you kidding, dude? No, we're not kidding. It's beautiful, dude. It's freaking beautiful. So yeah, dude, this thing is well within the equilibrium zone between the 50 moving average and the 20 moving average. That's fine. So this just looks great, dude. Looks great. So the question is now, will we keep running? Will we sell off? Because we've now hit areas where one could expect reversal in price action. That's what fibs are for. You look at each fib node as an area where we might reverse our price action. That's why you keep your eye on each one, set up alerts, all that stuff. But it's like, will we make the major retrace? That's the question. From the high from June to the low from December, those nodes are up here, and I don't know if we'll do that. We could, but it's really unknown. We play this as a trade in the shorter term with the real swing high to low, and it's worked out brilliantly. It's perfect, okay? It's helped us. It's been our compass. It's been our, the fibs are like your lighthouse, okay? Oh, holy crap, man. putting on a little Grateful Dead for you. Some of you deadheads in here. I know you will appreciate it. Alright. Ultra bright. Jeez. Good sound check. I don't even know if you can hear it, but we'll see. It's not really playing. There's not... Just hold on. Turtle racing. Nita was in turtle racing. Wow, we have a former professional turtle racer, dude. Crazy dude. HIIT. Mr. Cantoma knows what it is. He knows. Oh my god. I'd never heard of it until literally tonight. Even though it makes sense. It's exactly what we did at Bama. Like any football team would do it. Holy crap. Hold on. Tons of charting. Yep, that's called HIIT. Okay, a lot of people know what it is. Alright, I'm impressed. Y'all know it. Y'all know your stuff. Fantastic. I'm actually going to tell the person that. Sorry. What's up, Crypto Miro? How you doing, man? Doing well, dude. Interval training grind, Aaron M. Yeah, dude, it feels great, too. And I've just been eating so lean, too, man. Like, it's like, I'm on, like, a regimen, dude. What's up, Crypto Cash, man? Lynn Marito, love you, too, man. Thanks, dude, for being here. You're buying Mitre T8, Cone, Miss Cantomo. You like the new videos, CoinLinks, man? I'm glad to hear it. Thanks, man, for the feedback. Anyone, if you haven't seen it, I'm doing short videos now, and it's... Wow, dude. I'm playing YouTube the way you're supposed to play YouTube, I guess. I thought I was just terrible, okay? I literally thought I was just like, oh, something wrong with me, dude. But no, it's just like, all you gotta do is produce, like, 8-minute videos of the stuff I do on here all the time. It's like, literally, I just did an ONT analysis. I could just, literally just do that and post it. And I'm gonna get sub growth. It's just, it's ridiculous because people like don't look for 1-hour live streams. They look for 6-minute videos on assets, certain assets. Whew. What's up, Theodore? It's going well, man. Thanks for asking. How's it going with you, dude? Batcoin, sideways action, Mr. Majesty, dude. It's okay, man. Sideways is just consolidation. All right. When have you ever gone through life and it's not sideways? Okay, you have your ups, your downs. But after those ups and downs, you have that sideways action, that consolidation period. Okay, so life is like the chart. All right. If you're in a downtrend, what does that mean? That means you have to create a catalyst in your own life to change things. Okay, that's literally it. So you can break out. You can look. If this is the downtrend in your life, right here, you decided to make a change. You started exercising, you stopped smoking, or you stopped drinking, or you stopped doing X, whatever the unhealthy behavior was. Okay, when you do that, then you consolidate some more. It's still boring, but then all of a sudden, break out to the upside. You're beginning to retrace and go like kings. All right. I know, HG, it's because you're always the first person, dude. You're always the first person to tip me, man, for the most part. So you're going to get the double chimes. It's not bad luck, dude. It's just you're the first. It's down 700 points, dude. Well, I'm just showing how behind I am on chat. No, we're not looking at Turtle. Okay, we're not looking at TRTL. Give me a break, dude. Really? There's not even a Turtle, all right? There's not even an asset, TRTL. You're afraid of Bitcoin, Crypto Miro? Well, yeah, man, I understand. I understand why you'd be scared. But there's always the chance. Always see the way it's holding right now. There's always a chance it could run up one more time. Did that 786 really hit our entry and a little above it? Did that 786 right on the dot and then sell off? Just interesting, man. Interesting how it's just holding right now. But I think you're gonna have extreme amounts of resistance at 4,000, the 4,000 area. All right, if we do run again, which we're pivoting and maybe setting up for that. I don't know, man. It's all in between chop stuff, right? It's like we don't play in between. We play when we get to certain areas, we take our entry, we wait though. Sometimes we have to wait like a week or two for our entry to hit, and then it does, and we take our shots, right? And in the meantime, we're scanning other charts for other opportunities, so we don't have to wait and just sit there for Bitcoin, right? Prosperity Plus, what is it, dude? Hey, Danman. Or what is it, Dones 420? Because Danman. Thanks for the 2 thumbs up and the 2 beers, dude. I'll take my tea tonight, man. Cheers, bro. What, Ethereum have good hearts? I've never heard that before. I've literally never heard anyone say Ethereum have good hearts, okay? Vitalik is not even a human, dude, all right? Vitalik's some sort of robot. He's like, he was manufactured the same assembly line as Zuckerberg, dude, all right? We know this. It's like literally, it is known. Game of Thrones. All right. Hold on, I'm getting more tea, man. Mr. T's tea, man. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Anyway, I think at this point on ONT, we could probably chart some sort of channel. Yeah, it's just going to start getting really busy, man. You start doing that because I love the fractal. I love showing that. It's like education. It's like this beautiful education. All right, so 1 and 2 and 3. Yep, so something like that, man. Okay, just 1 and 2, 3 and 4. All right, stay within the parameters of that channel and keep on rolling, dude. But we know where we're at, the top of the golden zone. XRP is the new Tether, dude. This month, yeah, it has technically been that, dude. As stable as Tether, yes. Thanks for the 150 people tuned in right now between Twitch and YouTube. Please hit the like button, that bell, that sub if you're enjoying the programming as we discuss the robots at Ethereum and Facebook. Oh, rising through methods, dude. Aked. Oh, a weekly. We'll look at it, man. Let's go to it right now. Dash. Hey, man, Dash is just, after our breakout. Hey, we got the breakout, right? But we're still just marinating, dude. Just marinating. Ooh. Hey, remember bull pull, bull flag? Not bad, man. Just now getting out, but where's the volume? Where's the volume on our breakout? Is this even right? It's off just a little bit. Yeah, you were out, man. You've broken out. Bull pull, beautiful bull pull, bull flag, man, right? You couldn't ask for anything more sexy than that. All right, so if you did have a measure move there, right? Ooh, is it Eyes of the World? Nice. Dude, I freaking love this song, dude. It's a large measure move, man. That is an extremely strong impulse right there. I mean, short-term measure move of this bull pull bull flag is legit, dude. Like 25,905 sats, man. All right, but that's the short-term move. That's not the swing trader thing. I mean, it is. You can definitely swing trade that, whatever. But I'm saying we're in this for a little bit longer duration. Okay, Dash, man. God, this makes me want to learn guitar, doesn't it? Like this old Jared Garcia, man. Incredible. But, you know, this thing, man, we can go the daily on it real quick. This is probably top 100 coins, probably one of the most beaten down coins. All right, we've analyzed this before. And December of 2017, all the way down to December of 2018, a 1 year long, I don't know, man, whatever you're gonna call it, boogaloo, whatever it's called, you know, it's just terrible, man. All right, sell off, incessant selling. Well, anyway, you formed a falling wedge, you broke out of the falling wedge, you went into a symmetrical triangle, and you broke out of the triangle, and now you're just flagging outside of it. And the measure move of this triangle is, again, like, well, it's at 28,500, but then you've got from your major swing high up here from April 20th, really?
Is that a joint?
To, you know, that low December 15th. The whole market bottomed out there for now. You'd expect a 382 and a 50%. We just have our targets are just, you know, 1, 2, 3, layering out. But who knows, man? This thing could go even higher, man. But it just takes time, man. It takes time. Obviously, the momentum shifted. That's why we draw trend lines. That's how we know. And it's Momo shifted multiple times now. So divergence to boot. It's low and the slightly lower low. Kings. Anyway. What's up, Peyton Manning, dude? Oh my god, he's here, dude. Oh, but you said the weekly Rising 3 methods? I don't know, man. Kind of, yeah. Oh, and your volume's good too. So the lesson about the Rising 3 methods, right? See, I don't even think I have a good example to educate on this. Let me see. I might. It's just not going to be a real live example. They're so rare, dude. Okay, very rare. Give me a sec. Okay. Dude, it's so bright. Okay. Rising 3 methods. So you have 1 green candle, and then normally it's 3 red candles, but the rule is in the middle it can be red or green. It really can. It's Bulkowski rule. And then but the rule is you want to have like that green candle higher, but I don't think you can really do that in the crypto market because there's no, you know, these are daily candles. You can't gap up any. All right, so it's fine. It is definitely similar to a weekly Rising 3 methods continuation pattern. Another, I think the rule of the volume, okay, what makes it a stronger pattern is when you have the volume on the first and 5th candle, because it's a 5 candle pattern. The first and 5th candle have higher volume than the 3 in the middle, the 1, 2, 3 right here. So, now, yeah, okay, man, sure, weekly Rising 3 methods, dude. Rising 3 methods, that's the name of my company, dude. Did y'all know that? Boom. Kangage, dude. Alright. Cool, Walkhead, man. Nice observation, dude. Much love. Let's keep our eye on the prize and look at the daily and say bull pull bull flag. So bull pull bull flag with Rising 3 methods. Let's go, dude. Let's be kings on Dash. It's been far too long since the glory days of Dash. Alright, dude. Seriously. Let's see what we can do. Okay, back to chat. Yeah, been going sideways for a month on XRP. Yeah, dude. Stablecoin, dude. Wow. Wedging. Wedgie wedge much, dude? In the world? Why is it like that? Oh, okay. Gotcha. Okay. P. Miller. Starbucks, dude. So, right angle and descending broadening formation, just like Tesla. You broke out. You broke out, and then you had just like a lot of throwback, and then bounced. You like almost feel. You see, it's like weird. It's like you didn't even build a gap. No, that's crazy. A huge run. You've finally hit from a high point to low point. You hit your 1272. You've actually, in fact, now hit your 1414 of extension. That's a stupendous performance, all right, but still well within the parameters of the nice historical uptrend, the one we've been in since, well, yeah, global financial crisis days. Okay, so running on up. The 1618 is almost confluent with that 75% trend line of our equidistant channel, and I mean, really, just, it may not be valid or whatever, but dude, I mean, I'm just saying, you just got, I mean, what is that? What is that, P. Miller, dude? I think you know what that is. I think you know it's not really good either. So, okay, do we have anything that lines up with it? Well, yeah, sure we do, man. Sure we do. We got a high on price. We got another high on price, and now we're making about the same high as this high and making almost no positive momentum. So we, on the daily, do have bearish divergence with upsloping price contraction, two trend lines that converge while they're upsloping. And then now you have like RSI, exact same stuff, man. RSI bearish divergence on the daily time scale. So if you have a pattern, your fib extensions, right, you're at all-time highs right now with divergence, though you are in extremely bullish conditions. At least one should take heed of the situation.
Is that a join?
Hey Mitch Masterflex, could you look at that? Loving your streams.
Hey Karim, thanks for the 420. Is that a joint contribution, dude? Yeah, dude, we'll look at that. Bat. Alright, man. Thanks, dude. Kangs. So what does that mean, dude? We got some coinciding variables in the midst going on, dude. Alright, so I feel that should be enough for you, man. Measure move of the pattern. I don't really think we've, I mean, really, tallest area. Jeez, man, I don't think you're not even close to measure move of this pattern, dude. Alright, see, the measure move really puts you near the top, and that'd be insane to get up there, dude. It really, really would. Okay, so and you know, the ascending or the right angled and descending broadening formation, which we have on the white trend lines, okay, you just measure from the lowest low to the highest high, right, of it, okay, and that's it, dude. Brings you up here to like 80 bucks, but dude, you might be screaming and asking for a sell-off before you get there. You might sell off and hit the bottom again and run, okay, and this could take months, dude. But all right, that's your measure move for that large pattern you broke out of. Let's get rid of that, and let's just look at what the measure move might be for the potential rising wedge. Not that big a deal, man. Not that bad. So we broke out. You're still gonna make higher lows, right? You could come down to 61 bucks. That'd be a pretty big move, but you're still gonna be extremely bullish in, you know, the grand scheme of things, right? So, okay, holy crap, loud. Sorry, dude. I don't even know, man. All right, I'm going, baby. I'm going. How about that, man? Hey, we're on BAT, so we might as well do a little random education. Okay, dude. All right, so I think there's a couple ways to look at BAT. Batcoin. Wyckoff, sure. No problem with Wyckoff, but you also had 1 and 2 down here, and you got the 25% touches, 75% touches, all kinds of touches, right? Just confining you in the parameters of a downsloping structure. But is it a breakout, or is it just where we don't look at it like that? We just look at it like support resistance. You can keep it simple, right? And what is this, man? You tell me, dude. What in the world is this? Huh? Out the yin yang, dude. What if you broke out, dude? Holy crap. Sky's the limit if you ever broke out on BAT. If that was the case. I mean, just talking about some sort of inverse head and shoulders. My God, man. I think the neckline would... is it here? I mean, probably being conservative. You'd hold it right there. And then if you broke out, dude, my God. Where could you go? You could go to all-time highs. Which, to be noted, we have not hit those all-time highs since, you know, that January 2018 high. We've never seen it again. We've gotten very close. Right, Rhaegar Targaryen, he was honorable, he was noble, but he died or something, right? Like Batcoin. Every time it hits this resistance, it pulls a Rhaegar Targaryen. All right, man, are we going to be Rhaegar Targaryen, or are we going to be Jon Snow at this resistance this time? Potential inverse head and shoulders. Let's be Kangs, dude, and break it and kill the Night King somehow, some way. Okay. So, a little education for you. And we've done it before. We'll just do it again then. All right. We have divergence, dude. We have different forms of divergence. If you're new in here, if you're old in here, it doesn't matter. It's always good to brush up on it. So let's talk about Class A bearish divergence. All right. So this is your price action up here. Okay. So when you make a high on price and you make a higher high on price, your oscillator, when you're MACD or RSI, on that high, you make a nice spike in positive momentum or relative strength. And then when you make that higher high on price, you make a lower level of positive momentum on your oscillator. Class A bearish divergence is the strongest form of divergence, and it signifies normally impending price action reversal. That's Class A. Class B is when we double top on price, and on that second top, we show lower levels of positive momentum or relative strength. Okay? Class B also signifies impending price action reversal to the downside. Okay, so when you see double tops, double bottoms, and you see this type of stuff, this type of element on your oscillator, be prepared. It could possibly be telling the future where we're going next. And then you have Class C bearish divergence, where you make a higher high on price, but you double top on your oscillator. And Class C divergence is your weakest form of divergence, and it doesn't really signify impending price action reversal, even though it could, especially if there are enough coinciding variables revolving around it, like you're at critical resistance points, you're forming a bearish pattern of some sort, then it makes it stronger. But it by itself does not mean impending price action reversal. It just means stagnation in momentum or stagnation in relative strength. Okay? So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Class A, Class B, and Class C bearish divergence. Screenshot it. Have fun. Also hit that like button, that bell, that sub if you enjoyed the education on divergencies. Okay. Whew. Let's go. Irwin T's getting me freaking jacked. Also HIIT, dude. Pornhub coin looking good. Rick Schmitz, dude, let's go. Verge Connect. What's up, Gary from tech support, dude? How you doing, man? QWERTY, Ravencoin's at a 1618, 1500 sat area. Yeah, dude, that's a rounded number. Once the rug gets pulled, dude, it's gonna be hard and nasty when it falls. Okay, it's gonna be nasty. There's no support that's built. It's just run up. It's though it could run up some more, man. I just like the chances of it running up more are much lower than it breaking down at this point. Okay, but it's crypto, man. It's crypto, dude. Holy crap. Sorry, I'm trying to catch up on chat now, dude. No way I'm gonna do it, but I'll try, dude. Okay, people are eating turtles in chat. Everyone calm down with turtle eating. Okay. What's up, E-Trail, man? You ran with the Raven play. Excellent, dude. Jeremy S. did too. Kangs. Game of Thrones coin. Yeah, exactly, dude. The new S coin. With some VeChain, dude. Not doing things. Hey, man. Come on, dude. It did things, dude. It hit. Are you kidding me? VeChain hit both targets on the trade setup, HG, dude. You can't say it's not doing things. It did things. And we're quite happy about it. We'll look at it next, since you asked. Okay. BNB's chart history looks suspiciously bullish. Oh no, bullish. Oh no, man. Something that actually makes money? What? No matter what the market's doing, it's going to make money because you're buying and selling. It wins on both sides. It's like an arms dealer in a war. They're gonna win, dude. No matter who wins. Put a big dragon flying on my site for Game of Thrones finale. Finale? What? No, how about the premiere and finale, dude? Dude, oh my god. Anita and everyone else are talking about turtles still. But this is long ago. This is like 20 minutes ago. What's up, Adam Warren, dude? Yeah, well, we actually did a day stream. I I guess we can go back to it. It's actually hitting the 100% retrace at $17 and change. It's nice, man. Dude, so much chat, man. Oh my god. Dude, I'm at the part where we talked about Vitalik and Zuckerberg being robots, dude. This is not even fun. I can't even believe it, man. I can't even... Rising through methods is a 5 candlestick pattern. 5 candle pattern. Whatever. Hopefully you saw it. So the truth, man. It's okay, man. If it's a failure, it doesn't matter, man. We're already in the green on the trade setup, so whatever, dude. Falling through methods, yeah, definitely, same thing. Oh my god, man, I can't do it, dude. I can't do it. Let's just go to VeChain doing things. Are you kidding? Not doing things? Are you kidding me, man? How is it not doing things, dude? Alright, do we really have to cue the sound clip?
VeChain doing things.
Come on, dude. Here it is. And then we're going to do something else, man. And courtesy of Bradford, dude. Alright. Ah, so we have to go so far back, too. Showing it again, man. Because why freaking not? Because it was so freaking perfect. Dude. Can't even, dude. Can't even.
Is that a joint?
Can you take a look at AGI for me, please?
Yeah, dude. Yeah, man. We'll look at AGI, man. Okay, dude? Thanks, man. Hot Freedom, the 420 contribution, dude. Marijuana's in the jar, dude. Alright. We'll look at it right after this. Right after we revel in our extreme excitement and triumph. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. VeChain. We're just gonna play it at the same time.
VeChain doing things.
Kangage, freaking Kangage, dude. Posted February 11th. This is pre-Valentine's Day trade setup for the patrons. All right, man. You had all the time in the world. You even came down and tested the bottom of the triangle one more time before exploding and hitting not only your first target, but your second target too. Give me a break, man. It's literally the question, what more do you even freaking want, man? All right.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
Okay. So, that's all great and all, but something to think about is, okay, target's hit, acquired, we are Kangs, but the real question is, the major discernible daily swing high, this September 4th or whatever, to the low in January, double bottom, December and January, golden zones between 167 and 207, right? So the retrace, we may not be done here at all. We saw the shift in momentum. We saw the double bottom, then the higher lows, consecutive higher lows, then the ascending triangle, and the reversal played out. So I think there's still room to run for VeChain, but it's not to say we're saying get in on this, man. We're just telling you common retraces occur at this level between 167 again and 207, all right? That's it, dude. Whew. Holy crap, man, I'm going, man, I'm going. Holy crap, man. This one's just been a beauty, man. We're gonna look at it on the big screen for ye. Agi. agility coin. All right, it's been quite agile this altcoin season, has it not? Or we had a cup with handle, measure move never quite got hit. It didn't feel like or seem like, right? And then we just kept on moving on up, formed a bullish bat pattern, and really, you know, we hit a 382 first target of it, but that was it. Then we formed an ascending triangle, and our measure move of the ascending triangle, well, we hit the target beautifully, and then an extreme explosion in the upside. The volatility on Agi, man, wow. Ran up, hit that heart line. The heart line we've tried so many times to breach, but it's just been failures over and over and over. Well, we failed again, and now we're bouncing, trying to double bottom off the 200 moving average. Wow, man. And holy crap, education putting it to work on the double bottom, man. Well, you got a little Class B bullish divergence on your MACD. And on your RSI, right? So you do have some good looking stuff going on. Interesting, but you're out of that channel, and I know there's probably adjustments that could be made, but I don't know, this channel served us quite well. Very little adjustments that had to be made on this. All right, so you got a double bottom, potential double bottom, right? Potential double bottom with the neckline right here. Not a very large pattern, so if it played out, I mean, okay, measure move's not going to be too crazy or anything. So measure move would put you on Agi around 1448 sats. Okay. And this is just as simple as I can put it for the short term right now on this asset. Bullish divergence, Class B. Rewind if you didn't get it. Class B, double bottom on the second bottom. You make lower levels negative momentum and higher levels of relative strength. Let's go, dude. Let's freaking go. Oh my God, man. Oh. Morgan Freegan, hello. Yes, that's where you would take some profit. As profit-taking levels, CryptoFish. You can do 25, 25, 100%, or you can take 25, 25, 25, and leave 25 to roll and just move up a stop loss in case it keeps rolling, dude. There's many strategies to taking profit, CryptoFish. It's not as simple as just answering, you know, one answer, okay? Tons of strategies. 50%, 50%. Or 50%, 40%, keep 10% on the field, right? I mean, there's so many ways to do it.
Hey Mitch, I took your advice yesterday and sold all my RVN at 1,497. I then entered in Poly/BTC at 0.0074. Can you look at it and see what targets I could be looking for? Thanks.
Congrats on your sick, fat gains on Ravencoin, dude. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, hold on. Thanks for 321, dude, and congrats, man. Polywag coin, isn't it? I mean, I can't remember. Oh my God. You gotta be kidding me. Let's go. Target hit, dude. Target acquired. Remember we were talking about some scrubby, weird Head and Shoulders of some sort? Dude, we're there, man. We've done it. We've done it, dude. Major discernible high to low. You're at a 50% retrace and the measure move. Dude, I mean, look, literally, dude. You're right there. You are at the area where one takes profit, man. You are overbought. You are at 85 on the RSI. This thing is not going to end well. It's going to pull back, and sure, it could run again, man. But dude, the target has been acquired for this particular asset and this particular pattern. The Momo shift, the inverse head and shoulders, whatever, dude. Kangs. Sit, dude, Kangs. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Beautiful body bag! Excuse me. Polyconnect, Polycoin Connect, Polymath, Polywrath. Which Pokemon are you? This one uses hypnosis or water or something. Okay. What's up, Brandon Green, man? Welcome, dude. Sorry, I'm really behind on chat, and it's like there's nothing I can do about it because I've just like been trying to stay focused on their requests and education and just producing content. Right? That's what I do, man. So I try anyway. Sorry, just getting through all this. All right. Cheers, Zachary, man. Zachary, dude, look, you want to see what Zachary's got going on? Let me pull this up and embarrass him in a positive way. Okay, so this is what Zachary has going on. Maybe, like, next time we'll be able to, like, do something with it. But, look, he's got an actual... And, I don't think I can zoom in. Maybe I can? No, it won't let me. It's the same thing. Okay, so we have the S-Coin March Madness, right? So currently we have Tron Connect waiting to play Cardano VeChain. I can probably guarantee it's going to be Cardano, even though that's an incredible matchup between VeChain and Cardano, their performance lately. You've got Bitcoin Cash SV versus XRP. XRP's probably going to lose this one. You never know, though. You got Litecoin versus Zcash. This is the Sweet 16 we're talking about. Binance Coin has already moved on to the next round. Tezos and EOS, okay? EOS looks primed to run again. But we're just waiting on, you know, some games to play out. You know, Bytecoin versus Zilliqa. Zilliqa Connect's probably going to move on, and probably Engine Coin's going to win and beat Ethereum on performance, all right? So let's go, baby. Let's go on the S-Coin. March Madness, baby. Let's go. Beautiful, man. Zachary, genius, dude. Genius. That's so Raven of you, Skyward Man. So, but Wolf of Worcester, I'm so behind, dude. Like, this is just ridiculous, man. Sharuba, can we look at power? I guess, man. When you see triangle on the oscillator, it's normally just neutrality, man. It's not really telling you anything because it's like bullish convergence and bearish convergence at the same time, right? So it's just like price contraction. You have momentum and relative strength contraction too, and it just means a move's coming, and it probably lines up a lot of times. Well, I know it does. It lines up a lot of times with volume receding, and that means the calm before the storm. You know, the calm before the storm means big moves coming, dude. It's like foreshadowing. Dude, Restream just freezes all the time. I don't know. It'll be, it can't do it, man. And then it'll just like, it'll unfreeze. With fireworks? Holy crap, we get 100 likes? I don't know if I trust that. Yeah, I guess we did. Holy crap, man. Thank y'all for the 107 likes so far. If you haven't hit that like button, go ahead. Do it, man. Let's be Kangs and grow as a community together. So close your shot. Nate L. Holy crap, man. So Mike Lamb. Morgan Freeman was up on NEO 50%. NIO, not NEO. Tesla competitor, man. Dude, I just can't even, man. Restream, I gotta like uninstall it and reinstall it, dude. It's just getting obnoxious, man. Dude, I think I'm catching up with chat, finally. Okay. Okay, whoever did that, Raven to Polly. That's so Raven. And if you're in here and you're not part of our Discord, you want to become part of our community in Discord, just because we talk, and if you know, when you want to keep the conversation going, okay, and I'm not live anymore, Discord is the place to do it. That's where you can find all the community, okay? We're a very strong, high-quality community. Probably one of the highest quality communities that exist, all right? Holy crap, man. Okay, man. Well, we've definitely missed this. Your local Local on the 8s. WRAY 88.8. Kings. Good job, Polly, man. Polly Wrath. Polly want a cracker. Oh, man. What? Low volume. Nothing's going on. And it's just like... just crapping around, making lower high. Look, it's even making a lower high than the previous side and the previous side, dude. Come on, dude. Ain't the dump coming, man? Is the move down coming? It seems likely. I mean, it just looks really weak, man. Really weak. Dude, you're at the tail end of the bearish cyber pattern. What do you expect to happen up here? We're just going to go to the moon, man? I mean, like, sorry, it just isn't really how it works. So, thanks for, that AI NYC, Shibura, Stealth Wiki. Thank y'all for joining the Discord. I see y'all joining that. TA Time Machine did. Danny White, man, thanks for joining the Harmonic House. That's where we at. That is this community, the Harmonic House, where we are kings. All right. Where is it? More kings? Yep, more kings. More kings. Harmonics are everywhere, dude. Okay, predictable patterns, geometry, history repeating itself. Oh yeah, dude. Fibonacci, though, you must master the fibs before you master the harmonics. And it's a long, arduous journey, but once you get there and it clicks, you won't be the same. All right. The S-Coin championships. Yeah, dude. Well, that's not me. It's all Zachary Schneider, okay? A legend in our community, all right? Holy crap, man. I've been going hard, dude. Hold on. Dude. Thanks, Danny White, man, and Culture Shock. Glad y'all are here. What's the group name on Discord? It's just TA with Mitray. There's a link in the description below. I think it's still working and active, but we have people that post the Discord link all the time in chat regularly, so you should be seeing it in a second, all right? Okay, anyway, so... we really need to look at Ethereum again, dude. Not really. Dude, Agi's very interesting, y'all. Agi, potential double bottom, Class B bullish divergence. Can't say you weren't warned if something good happens, okay? Just like on Poly, we looked at that like yesterday, and we had not done anything. We were not broken. We had not broken any resistance, but we targeted it. Okay, we targeted Poly, and it's literally at the target right now of the inverse head shoulders. Oh my god. Yeah, dude. I don't know what happens. Sometimes I'll leave my PC idle and, like, I'll come back and I can't, I'm, like, not able to, like, my screens will all, like, turn off like they go in sleep mode, but then I'll, like, wiggle my mouse and the computer won't come back on. It won't let me. And it's really frustrating because then I forget to save all my stuff. It's really dumb. All right. Just give me a sec. All right. Okay, someone asked about BNB to BTC, or no, USDT, whatever. Here's that high we talked about. We actually analyzed this in the day stream, right? So the high point to low point, we've hit the 100% retrace, and we are struggling tremendously to break it. We know our target if we do break it, which is fine. It's up at 21.13, 21.14, because that is the same way we did it with Ravencoin, okay? Your major swing high to swing low. When we break, there's just no resistance until you get there. Look left, that is not real resistance. That is up, down, right? That is This is chop. This is a lot of chop, right? When you break and breach this, there's no real resistance till that 1272. That's what everyone around the South Koreans around the world are looking at, that 1272. They're eyeballing it like the cookie jar if we could break out, which is a big if, man. This run has been stupendous, going on since December, right? And Kangs, man, went from $4.50 something cents all the way up to $17. You can't tell me crypto isn't alive, man. Some cryptos are. You just gotta dig for it and find it. All right, wonderful. Ravencoin's making moves, Cardi, man. That's it, dude. Ravencoin Connect. Holy crap. Echo from me playing another room is always great. 1941, 1111. Want. Is that it, dude? Dude, Ravencoin, or not Ravencoin, Restream sucks, dude. It sucks on this PC. It's wonderful on my laptop, which is kind of alarming. Hey, King Logan, man, how you doing, dude? Well, you ate a turtle in the Amazon by accident. How do you accidentally eat a turtle, man? Oops, I accidentally ate a turtle, dude. You did it, dude. You accidentally ate that turtle, man.
I like turtles.
So that's you, dude. Holy crap. What's up, Sean Coons, dude? Where are y'all? I don't know, man. We've been going pretty hard. Been going hard for an hour and 30 minutes now. Feel free to hit that like button, that bell, that sub. I mean, we've looked at 13 assets. Not bad. Not too bad for a night stream. Okay. Can't say the content have been getting pumped, man. We've been pumping content harder than we ever have. Okay. Hey, man. Power. Power doing things. Nice run, but what? What about power? Posted this in the Patreon chat. This chart. Beautiful, beautiful downsloping structure. We're just at the top, man. We're at the top. Looks like we could be doing things soon, all right? Definitely looks like we could be doing things. We break out, man. I think that you're that high up here. Like, this is a major swing high to swing low. I think we could run. Well, we're really close, man, to the golden zone already at this point. But look at this, man. Right? You got the low, the lowest low, the higher low, the double bottom, the higher lows. Dude, the momentum is clearly shifting on power. Do you see it? And now we're poised for a break out of a freaking structure we've been in for quite some time. Some time meaning March of 2018. Do you hear me? 1 year we've been confined and slaves to this equidistant channel, and now it might be time for a jailbreak. Okay, jailbreak to at least 3363 to 4369. All right, man, maybe even more. Power connect. Let's go, dude. Momo shift. You can see the Momo shift, dude. Lows, lower low, lower low, lowest low, higher low, double bottom, higher low, higher low, higher low. Come on, man. It's screaming. Hey, man, I'm going to shift my momentum. I am shifting my momentum. Do you see, man? Do you see? 1 year, dude. I mean, again, the pessimists out there be like, we're going to zero first, man. It's like, no, maybe we retrace commonly and then we sell off to zero, dude. Maybe. Putting in the work, man. Alright, y'all. So what I'm going to do is get out of here. It's been a wonderful show. Really appreciate each and every one of you showing up. 141 of y'all are here right now. Thanks so much for everything. Look, we looked at like 14 assets. And we did education on divergence, man. What more could you even ask for, okay, in a live stream? actual intrinsic value in this stream versus so many others that don't give you much of anything. All right, so I will be back sometime tomorrow. Look out for that static video. I'm going to be posting one. I'm going to try to post one every single day, short clip for you, so you don't have to wait and sift through the live stream for stuff. So let's do a contribution right now. ALPLT, Maha Freedom, Karem, Mr. Damon, man. Kills for a Living, HG. Thank you all so much for the contributions tonight. It means everything. Because of people like you, I'm able to continuously stream twice a day, now do static videos. That's not, if it wasn't for y'all, I wouldn't be able to do that, right? So contributions you provide to this stream make it to where I can continue reinvesting in the stream to give you better quality content, right? That's how it goes. And so, yeah, I'll be back. Hit that like button, the bell, that's so on the way out. Till next time, respect the TA.
That boy is good.
Adios, turd nuggets.